Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. It is used for different types of numerical calculations, such as mathematics, statistics, finance, etc., as graphing tools, pivot tables, and Excel macro programming. The first release of Microsoft Excel was in 1987. Built-in functions and add-in increase the power of MS Excel. MS Excel working environment is made up of rows and columns, shown as grid. Rows are numbered and columns have named lets. The intersection of rows and columns is called cells. Each cell in MS Excel have an address, also called reference. Use of cells reference make computation easy. The cell in Excel represents the single observation, data point, of an object/subject. The column represents the single information, characteristic, or attribute, about all of the respondents, while the rows represents the all required, collected, information about single respondents. You can consider combination of rows and columns as matrix that have rows and columns, and at each row-column interaction there is an element. For statistical calculation, it is important to understand the representation of rows, columns, and a cell. MS Excel has a huge bundle of built-in functions, about 500 functions, for statistics, engineering, and financial calculations. It also has functions for text and strings. MS Excel can be used to display data as graphs and charts in two-dimensional or three-dimensional graphical display.